Good morning, first grade. For today's math, we're going to work with Group Unstoppables. Group, can you turn your math books to page 311? Okay, for today's math lesson, you can basically be able to compare greater than or less than numbers, and also be able to interpret a story problem. So let's first look at number one. Number one wants you to write the sums. So for there, take your time. You're doing an excellent job. You write your sums. But let's focus on number two. Number two says write the cost beside the fruit and write the sums. So here we have a banana which is worth 30 cents. We have an apple which is worth 18 cents. We have grapes which is worth 19 cents. And then we have a pear which is worth 15 cents. So they asked us the cost of the apple and banana. We can combine those costs and define the sum of those two put together. So as we see, an apple is worth 18 cents. How much is a banana worth? As we look, a banana is worth 30 cents. So here we're adding 18 plus 30. That's all. 8 plus 0 is 8, and 1 plus 3 is 4. So those two items combined, that will give you 48 cents. Let's move on to number 3. Number 3 wants us to write greater than or less than. Okay, the first problem we have here is 75 and 49. So 75, is that greater than or less than 49? What do you think? That is correct. 75 is indeed greater than 49. Let's move over to 468. Is that greater than or less than 477? What do you think? That is correct. 468 is less than 477. So you're going to take your time on number 3 and decide whether the problem is greater than and less than. All right, let's flip the page over to 312. Number 1 wants you to write the differences. If you need, you can use the base bars to help you. But let's move on to number 2. Number 2, here we have a story problem. Okay, let's read. It said here, during 3 days of vacation, Alex built model cars. The first day, he built 1 model car. Each day after that, he built double the number that he built the day before. How many model cars did he build the second day? So let's focus on the first one. So it said, read it again. During the 3 days of vacation, Alex built model cars. The first day he built 1 model car. Each day after that he built double the number. So it said the first day he built 1 model car. So here we're adding plus. And so each day after that it doubled. So he built 1. So that's 1 plus 1 equals 2. So the first one he built 2. Now it says how many model cars did he build the third day? So this is the first day. This is the second day, and this is the third day. I'm gonna write second up here so we can see. Then I'm gonna write third down here. Okay? This is another addition problem. Notice he said after each day it will double. The second day is 1. The third day is still double. So here we're adding 2 plus double 2, and that equals 4. So the second day he built 2. On the third day he built 4 model cars. Now as you move to number 3 asks us what is the temperature. So we're looking at the thermometer, and then it will tell you what temperature you should write. Let's focus our attention on number 4, where it says write the answer. Okay, so here we have 1 pound. How many ounces does 1 pound equal to? What do you think? How many ounces are in 1 pound? 16. Awesome. Now let's focus on 1 quart. How many pints are in 1 quart? How many pints? Good. 2 pints. So 1 pound equals 16 ounces, and 1 quart equals 2 pints.